Iṣẹ́ ni oògùn ìṣẹ́. Múra síṣẹ́, ọ̀rẹ́ mi. Iṣẹ́ la fi ń dẹni gíga. Bí a kò bá rẹ́ni fẹ̀yìntì, bí ọ̀lẹ là á rí. Bí a kò bá rẹ́ni gbẹ́kẹ̀lé, a tẹra mọ́ṣẹ́ ẹni. Ìyá rẹ lè lówó lọ́wọ́, bàbá rẹ lè lẹ́ṣin léèkàn. Bí o bá gbójúlé wọn, ó tẹ̀tán ni mo sọ fún ọ. Ohun tí a kò bá jìyà fún, ṣé kì í lè tọ́jọ́? Ohun tí a bá fara ṣiṣẹ́ fún ní pẹ́ lọ́wọ́ ẹni. Apá lára, ìgúnpá niyè kan. Báyé bá ń fẹ́ ọ lónìí, bí o bá lówó lọ́wọ́, ayé a máa fẹ́ ọ lọ́la. Tàbí kí o wà ní ipò àtàtà, ayé a máa yẹ́ ọ sí tẹ̀ríntẹ̀rín. Jẹ́ kó o dẹni tí ń rágó, kó o rí báyé ṣe ń yínmú sí ọ. Ẹ̀kọ́ sì tún sọ ní dọ̀gá. Múra kí o kọ́ ọ dáradára. Ìyà ń bọ̀ fọ́mọ tí kò gbọ́. Ẹkún ń bẹ fọ́mọ tí ń sá kiri. Má fòwúrọ̀ ṣeré, ọ̀rẹ́ mi. Múra síṣẹ́, ọjọ́ ń lọ. Work is the antidote to poverty. Should be my friend there. Concentrate on your work, my friend. Great work ethic leads to success in life. If we do not have anybody to rely on, we feel inadequate. If we have no one to depend on, we should work even harder. Your mother could be very rich. Your dad could have horses in the stable. If you depend on them solely, you will find yourself in deep trouble. What we do not suffer for does not last long in our hands. Something that we really work hard to achieve will last long in our hands. Our arms signify our friends, our elbows signify our family. When the world praises you today, if you become rich and successful, the world will always want to be your friend. Or should you be in an enviable position, the world impress you with smiles and laughter. Should the table turn and you become penniless, come see as people will mock you. Work could turn you into a boss. Persevere to do your work diligently. Hard times are coming for the irresponsible child. Crying and weeping awaits the wayward child. Do not play with your future, my friend. Persistent. Time waits for no one. Thank you.